Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send TRX from Kraken to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know TRX is the native token of the Tron blockchain, and moving it to a secure hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart way to protect your assets from online threats. This guide is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated to the latest firmware. Download the Tron app on your Ledger if you haven't already. It's easy via the Ledger Live app on your computer. Once that's done, log into your Kraken account. If you don't have two-factor authentication enabled, do that now for extra security. Now, let's get to the main steps. Head over to the Withdraw section in your Kraken dashboard. Select TRX from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll need to enter your Ledger Nano X wallet address, connect your Ledger to your computer, open the Tron app, and it will display your address. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Next, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Kraken might ask for a network fee, so factor that in. Double-check the address and amount, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Kraken. On your end, keep an eye on your Ledger device for the transaction to appear. Tron transactions are usually fast, but it could take a few minutes. One quick tip: always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Tron Scan to ensure everything's gone through smoothly. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Keep them offline. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you've securely transferred your TRX to your Ledger Nano X. This not only enhances your crypto security but also gives you full control over your funds. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.